Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to talk about something. So alright, whenever I do OS and we're going to talk about os.path, I've told you that to make sure we import all of the OS and then use os.path, because it's actually in the documentation. And if somebody's taken the time who has especially written this and tells you to use that as shoot, I think it's somewhere in here, but we've read it. So, all right, now I'm going to show you an easier way so we don't have any issues. So we're going to learn about the Ntpath. I just want to show you. So, all right, we got here. Let's do dir on os.path. There we go. So now let's do Ntpath. Now let's do dir on Ntpath. So as you see, it's the exact same thing. So going forward, we've almost used everything, but I haven't gone and counted exactly, but we've almost done everything that's super important. So going forward, anytime that we're going to use OS path, we're going to be using the os.path, we're going to be using the Ntpath. So that's going to become interchangeable, and I knew we were going to get to it soon, but we're there. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if these are the type videos you like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that little watermark down there, and the notification bell, because we have videos coming out all the time. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.